Good morning, students. Today we will start organic chapter benzaldehyde. Molecular formula of benzaldehyde is C6H5CHO, aldehyde group. Benzaldehyde is also known as the oil of bitter almonds. Oil of bitter almonds. How do you prepare benzaldehyde? First of all, just we will study about the Rosemont reaction. By Rosemont reaction, we can prepare benzaldehyde by using benzoyl chloride in presence of BSA4 and sulfur. Now, this reaction C6H5COCl benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl plus H2 gives that on the top PD oblique BaSO4 and at bottom you will write S. Now products are C6H5CHO plus HCl. I told you only reaction, not procedure. There is no need of procedure. Only by Rosemont reaction, only reaction is enough. Reaction along with conditions is enough. Number 2, second process. By dry distillation of calcium benzoate and calcium formate. That means dry distillation of calcium benzoate and calcium formate, benzaldehyde is formed. Calcium benzoate C6H5COO whole 2 Ca. Calcium benzoate C6H5COO whole 2 Ca. And calcium formate molecular formula is HCOO whole 2 Ca. Now the reaction is C6H5COO whole 2 Ca plus HCOO whole 2 Ca gives that on top delta sign 2 C6H5CHO plus 2 CaCO3. There are two products. Benzaldehyde is the main product and sub-product is calcium carbonate. Not only that, third method also I will explain you. This third method is Itard reaction. By Itard reaction, ETARD. By Itard reaction, we can prepare benzaldehyde. In 2 steps, we will just complete that. By Itard reaction, alkyl benzene can also be oxidized to benzaldehyde. Alkyl benzene can also be oxidized to benzaldehyde with a solution of chromium chloride. Chromium chloride CrO2Cl2. Chromium chloride in CCl4 or CS2. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. A brown complex is formed which is decomposed by water to give corresponding aldehyde. That one, and it is called the Itard reaction. If Itard reaction will come, you have to write only reaction. First of all, toluene. Structure of toluene. Toluene, that means parents is benzene and on the top CH3. Toluene gives that on the top 2CrO2 Cl2 at bottom CCl4. And then we will get brown complex. That brown complex are benzene as a parent compound. On the top, CH, OCr, Cl2, OH2 gives that on the top H2O, and that is the benzaldehyde CHO. CHO, benzene and CHO. Just I told you three of the methods. How do you prepare the benzaldehyde? In three of the methods, two of them are the name reaction and one is normal reaction. No. In this preparation of benzaldehyde is now completed. Second of the part, we will start the physical properties of the benzaldehyde. In physical properties of the aldehyde group, all of you understood that this is the aldehyde group, single bond CHO, aldehyde group, and structure all of you know, single bond C, single bond H, double bond O. So from this aldehyde group, benzaldehyde is a compound, and this one benzaldehyde is mainly aromatic compound. Aromatic means this benzene structure, and on the top you will write CHO. That aromatic compound is benzaldehyde is that. Now just we are coming to the points. That point is physical properties. It is a colorless liquid, has a smell of bitter almonds. It is sparingly soluble in water. Now we are coming two of the physical properties I told you. First property just I told you, that one is it is colorless, only colorless liquid, and has a smell of bitter almond. Number two, it is sparingly soluble in water. Now we are coming to that chemical properties. Reaction of aldehyde group common with aliphatic aldehyde, that is nucleophilic aldehyde reaction. First one, aldehyde reacts with HCN. In presence of HCN, aldehyde gives benzaldehyde cyanohydrine. Formula you know that, benzene, parent structure benzene, on the top H, single bond C, single bond OH, single bond CN. That is the benzaldehyde cyanohydrine. Once more it changes into, in presence of H plus H2O, that will give H plus, and H plus is that you know that acidic, that you inform that acid we are just using H plus or H2O. It will give the Mandelic acid. Benzene structure, carbon surrounding of that, left hand side one hydrogen, right hand side on the top single bond OH, single bond C double OH. When benzaldehyde, parent compound of CHO, in presence of NaSCO3, sodium bicarbonate, then it will give benzaldehyde sodium bisulfide. This benzaldehyde sodium bisulfide benzene structure, single bond C, surrounding of C, single bond H, single bond OH, single bond SO3 Na. First, it was the nucleophilic addition reaction, first properties. Second of the property, nucleophilic addition reaction with loss of water. with loss of water, benzaldehyde in presence of NH2, or you can write 2NH2, H plus, in presence of H plus, it is the benzaldehyde, hydrazone plus water. Benzaldehyde hydrazone, benzene structure, along with that, on the top, single bond, CH, double bond, O, and then single bond, or you can write dot NH2 or single bond NH2. That is the benzaldehyde hydrazone plus H2O. Now, once more, benzaldehyde in presence of NH2OH, H plus, gives that benzyl doxime. That benzyl doxime formula is benzene, and on the top single bond CH, double bond NOH plus H2O. And third one is benzaldehyde in presence of NH2, NHC6H5, H plus, gives that benzene structure, and on the top single bond CH, double bond N into NHC6H5. This is the benzaldehyde phenyl hydrazone plus H2O. Now the reducing property of benzaldehyde. In the reducing property of benzaldehyde, we can say benzaldehyde only reacts with toluene reagents to give silver mirror. Benzaldehyde only reacts with toluene reagent to give silver mirror. This experiment we will do. Definitely we will do this experiment, and this reaction is C6H5CHO plus toluene reagent formula is Ag NH3 whole 2 bracket close plus OH minus 1 positive is AH NH3 whole 2 positive, OH minus negative. To balance this reaction, we will write 2 third bracket start Ag NH3 whole 2 third bracket close plus sign OH minus, gives that ammonium benzoate and silver mirror. Ammonium benzoate C6H5 COONH4 ammonium benzoate plus silver mirror 2Ag plus byproduct is 3NH3 plus 3H2O. Now oxidation, reduction properties over oxidation. Oxidation, that means nascent oxygen we will use. C6H5CHO plus nascent oxygen gives that in presence of dilute nitric acid and or alkaline potassium permanganate, alkaline KMNO4. Either dilute nitric acid or alkaline KMNO4, it will give benzoic acid. Benzoic acid C6H5COOH or benzene structure, on the top single bond COOH. Reduction property. Reduction means nascent hydrogen now. C6H5CHO plus 2 third bracket start H third bracket close. Nascent hydrogen. This one is nascent hydrogen. Gives that on the top you write Zn oblique HCl or NaMg oblique H2O. Benzyl alcohol is formed. C6H5CH2OH. Benzyl alcohol is formed. After this, reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. In phosphorus pentachloride, if reaction will be, then C6H5CHO plus PCl5 gives that C6H5CHCl2 plus POCl3 benzyl chloride. That is the benzyl chloride. In this now name reactions, one name reaction I am telling you, Cannizzaro reaction. In benzoic acid, Cannizzaro reaction. CANNI, double ZARO, Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, unlike aliphatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. This what is reaction is 2,6,6H5CHO plus conc NaOH, concentrated sodium hydroxide gives that benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH and sodium benzoate C6H5COONE. In this, just you can see benzoin condensation. This one is Cannizzaro reaction is over. Benzoin condensation. Benzaldehyde, when heated with an alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide, undergoes self-condensation to form benzoic, known as the benzoic condensation. This one reaction is benzaldehyde first of all plus two molecules of benzaldehyde plus benzaldehyde gives that alcoholic KCN, alcoholic KCN, and heat. After heating, you will get benzoin. That benzoin is benzene structure inside single bond C attached by single bond OH, single bond H, once more single bond C, on the top double bond O, single bond benzene structure. This one is benzoin. That means first one Cannizzaro reaction, name reaction, second one will come Perkins reaction. In Perkins reaction, benzaldehyde on heating with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate first form a condensation product which upon hydrolysis gives the corresponding alpha beta unsaturated acid. This reaction is little hard. Theory part is not required. Reaction part is required. But Perkins reaction, you should know that benzaldehyde on heating with acidic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate first form a condensation product with upon hydrolysis gives the corresponding alpha beta unsaturated acid. And this C6H5CH double bond O plus O, two of the on the top O attached with CH3CO and bottom also attached with CH3CO gives that C on the top CH3COONA, at bottom 453 K, and minus H2O, that means minus H2O is the part of the product. Now it will be C6H5 single bond CH double bond CHO attached with oxygen, and similarly that oxygen bottom side attached by CH3CO. This one is condensation product. Now H2O and boil, add H2O and boil that. Cyanamic acid, you will get cyanamic acid. That cyanamic acid formula is C6H5CH double bond CHCOOH plus acetic acid CH3COOH. This reaction is the Perkins reaction. No. Now we can just come to that regarding with failing solution. Benzaldehyde does not react with failing solution. Red PPT is not formed. Benzaldehyde does not react with failing solution. Either failing A or failing B does not react with failing solution. Red PPT is not formed. As like as other formaldehyde, red PPT is not formed. Now, use of benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde, use of benzaldehyde is used in perfumery, used in the manufacturing of dyes, benzoic acid. No. Now, one part is distinction between aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde. Aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde reduce Fehling solution to give red PPT. That red PPT, what is that? Cu2O, red PPT. But aromatic aldehyde does not respond this reagent. That means I told you regarding the Fehling solution. Benzaldehyde does not react with Fehling solution. Benzaldehyde is an organic aromatic compound, wherever formaldehyde is an aliphatic compound. Formaldehyde can just give the red PPT with Fehling solution, that red PPT of Cu2O, but aromatic compound benzaldehyde does not respond this reagent. Aliphatic anhydride containing CH3CO group. Iodoform test, but aromatic aldehyde never give iodoform test. That means aliphatic aldehyde gives iodoform test, but aromatic aldehyde never give iodoform test. Right? By this way, I can say this one aldehyde group is already completed. In part of that, if we will come to that carboxylic acid side, acid, all of you know that, carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, carbon compounds containing a carboxylic functional group, that is single bond COOH, are called carboxylic acid. The carboxylic group is made up of C, both of the side, vacant. That means that vacant part is single bond, double bond O, and hydroxyl group is single bond OH group. No. By this way, we can say first compound I am telling you. You know that in class 10 also this compound was there. First compound is formic acid. Formic acid, because functional group is COOH, so formic acid, it will be HCOOH. And you know that formic acid, name of the formic acid is methanoic acid. Acetic acid, you know, CH3COOH, acetic acid. That is known as the ethanoic acid. Similarly, we have propionic acid with after that butyric acid, etc. These all are aliphatic acid. Aromatic acid we have, that is benzoic acid. Benzene attached by single bond COOH. Not only that, phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid, this one is structure benzene attached by single covalent bond CH2COOH. And then at last is phthalic acid, or that one is phthalic acid. That phthalic acid is benzene structure and two of the side, the right hand side or left hand side, attached by COOH. Now after that, structure you understood, no, mechanism you understood. Now method of preparation of carboxylic acid. First one preparation, if we will start, I can say this one from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene means toluene in presence of potassium permanganate and heat. It will give benzene COOK. No. Gives that and write H3O plus, then benzoic acid is formed. In two steps, benzoic acid is formed. Second step, we can say phenyl benzene. Benzene attached by CH2, CH3 gives that KMNO4, minus KOH. That means this one is the product part and heat. You will get benzene attached by single covalent bond C-double-OK. Gives that in presence of H3O plus gives benzoic acid. Gives benzoic acid. No? And then benzoic acid, this preparation part of benzoic acid, now we can start the physical properties of the benzoic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid up to the 9 carbon atoms are colorless. Colorless liquid at room temperature with unpleasant smell. The higher acid are wax like solid with no odor. More than 9 are wax like solid with no odor. Carboxylic acid have higher boiling points than aldehyde. Ketones and alcohols are comparatively molecular masses. This is due to their association, as they can form intermolecular hydrogen bond. This also increase their solubility in water. Due to that hydrogen bond, increase the solubility in water. The solubility decreases with increase in the number of carbon atoms, not increase in hydrogen atoms. Solubility decreases with increase in carbon atoms. Now, benzoic acid is nearly insoluble, near about insoluble in cold water, but also soluble in hot water. Benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform. Now we are coming to the chemical properties. Chemical properties of benzoic acid. And benzoic acid chemical properties. Just first of all, I'll just explain you esterification. No, esterification. That is esterification benzoic acid. Suppose I am taking benzoic acid and along with that are single bond C, double bond O, single bond OH plus HOR dash, reversible sign on the top H plus, and ester is formed. That ester is C, left hand side single bond R, right hand side OR dash, top side double O, that is the mechanism of ester plus H2O. And the reactivity of alcohol towards esterification increases. Do you know how? Tertiary alcohol is less than secondary alcohol, is less than primary alcohol, is less than methanol. That means methanol, reactivity of alcohol towards esterification, that means methanol is more than primary alcohol is more than secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol is more than tertiary alcohol. After that, reaction with ammonia. CH3COOH plus NH3, ammonium acetate, and if you heat, then acetamide is formed. CH3CO NH2 is formed. In this you can say name reactions we have. That name reaction is Kolbe electrolysis. I will just explain last of the part. Kolbe electrolysis, 2CH3COO gives that 2CH3COO minus plus 2K plus. At anode, 2CH3COO minus 2 electron gives that 2CH3COO gives that CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2CO2. At anode 2K plus charge plus 2 electrons gives that 2K, gives that in presence of water 2KOH plus H2. It was the Kolbe electrolysis. By this way we can say these all the parts of benzoic acid, carboxylic acid and aldehyde group along with ketone today already is completed. Thank you, students.